Here is your quick math tip. We are going to focus on adding two negative numbers. So for example, if we have a -2 and then we add a -3. If we're adding two negatives, we're going to end up with more negatives. Our answer will end up smaller than what we started out with. So if we have a -2 and a -3, we can use chips here. This is a -2. And then right underneath it, add a -3. We end up with -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We end up with -5. Now let's use a number line. Let's put 0 in the middle. And then let's do +6 to -6. All right, now let's do the left side. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, always start at 0, then go to your first integer. Your first integer is a -2. Start at 0, then go to -2 and stop. Now we are going to add a -3. We're adding a negative. So if we add a negative, we must go left on the number line. From -2, let's go left 3 hops. 1, 2, 3, and stop. We land at -5. That is how you complete -2 plus -3 on a number line.